Today I'm going to talk to you about our two MCANAX 12-volt air compressors. Here we have our 60 litre and our 20 litre per minute compressors. The 20 litre compressor has an analogue pressure gauge and an inspection light. It comes with a 70 cm airline hose and quick connect coupling along with 3 sports adapters to choose from. It is powered by plugging the 3 metre power cord with cigarette lighter plug into the power supply of your vehicle. The power cord and airline hose can be easily stored away in the side compartments. The 60 litre compressor is powered by connecting the crocodile clips directly to a 12-volt battery. This compressor also comes complete with an airline hose, analogue pressure gauge and sports adapters. A carry bag is supplied with the compressor so it can be easily stored for on the go. The 20 litre compressor is ideal for all your sports needs. Carefully connect the 60 litre connections to your vehicle battery. Connect the 60 litre airline hose together, switch on your compressor and monitor your pressure gauge. When your tyre has been inflated to the required pressure, carefully disconnect all hosing and cables. Caution should always be taken when operating air compressors. Operate them from a safe position away. Always follow the recommended tyre rating by the tyre manufacturer.